Guys, so we got Doughboy's car, Biggs himself, EK B20 vtec in the building. We're gonna do a little maintenance on it today. Gotta do some starter work. Starter went bad, and we had a fuel cut. Been chasing the fuel cut, trying to figure it out. Who dizzles? B20 vtec, Biggs's car. We had a starter issue. Car wasn't cutting on. He dropped it off at the shop to see what we can do. Brand new starter in there, and we found out why his fuel cut issue right here. If you can see, we got a broken wire right from the clip. We got another harness who's doing his magic right now, stripping. We cut off that pigtail. We're gonna replace this one, and let's see if that fixes his fuel cut up. We'll be back. Yeah, so my man Lou, he's fixing up the wiring now for Doughboy's map sensor. We just put a new pigtail on there. We're gonna try it out now. See if we get a start. Again, he was having a trouble issue getting to work in the morning. He didn't know what it was, so we had him drop it off. His starter took a complete crap. The teeth on the starter were gone. And he had a fuel cut because his map sensor plug was broken. So let's see. That did the trick. And there we go. Little things here. This wire harness is chopped and screwed. Doughboy, I'm sorry to put you on the spot, but we're gonna have to bring you back eventually and redo this whole harness. And if you hear that squeak, that is the throttle bearing. So eventually we're gonna get this car back in here whenever Doughboy can, and we're gonna have this car go through a whole complete engine harness redo. Take it off, redo all the things, because as you can see here, we have broken wires. We got connections to connections. So we're just gonna go through and get this done whenever we have extra time on this car, but for the most part, she runs great. Push the clutch in. As you can see, the squeak went away. So we now know that that's the throttle bearing. And let it out. Now you hear all the rumbling and jumbling and all that stuff going on with that. So that's one more thing we got to do here. We are golden. She's back to running, baby. Again, that squeaky noise is a throttle bearing, and that's basically it. That's basically it. She is one healthy little girl. B20 vtec, Private Squad built. Back with another one. EK Coupe. This is Biggs' car. I believe on his IG is Unruly Biggs. Yeah, man. Great little healthy B20 vtec. EK Coupe. We got Stevie JDM himself behind the wheel, going for a test drive. Again, we don't give nobody's car back without making sure it's completely fine. Car is running amazing, nice and healthy. All the AFRs is on point. She's running good. She's running good. Races today, had some fun. decided to hit the biggest pothole in all of North America. That's how I figure it is. And we were in Kevin's way too low Subaru. Decided to snap the control arm or do something of it. So, Kevin, can you do the honors and show us what you decided to do? Oh, that was very nice. Very nice, Kevin.
We tried to weld it because I ordered it. It took too fucking long and I got to drive my car. It didn't really go too well.
Yeah, so we tried to weld it real quick. It lasted about a week. And then still waiting on ordered parts. Driving through a different AutoZone. And had it in stock. We waited for no reason. Yeah. So if you don't know about Subaru Outbacks.
Right.
We are under here. Lower control on. And that was pointless because you can't see shit. I'm set. Didn't end well.
What are you complaining about?
I leaned down. I just cleaned this jacket from smelling like your mom. And then I laid down.
I'm out of here, man. Anyways, this is the new one. About to throw this shit on. Well, this guy keeps complaining about his jacket.
This is a whole $30,
There's
bro.
nothing there, bro.
Kevitz. Wow. Can we do a comparison to the new one, to the broken one, please?
Hold on, we gotta plug it.
Jesus Christ.
No, that.
As we can see, quality parts of nothing. Looks nice, looks nice.
Junk.
What we call official basura.
Official tissue.
Official tissue. But these weld, it worked for a week. Oh, that means it's gonna last forever.
You know what I'm saying?
This shit. He's been complaining about this damn control arm for like 3 weeks. And it only takes 2 minutes to replace. So I'll just sit and relax.
Talking shit over there?
No. Boom. Nice eBay lights. If you don't have a flashlight, that one.
This one. Take the clips off.
Nice. Now we got stage lights for lighting. Yo, take this one. Ah! Fuck! We'll be right back.
Okay.
Shit.
Should've picked the car more.
I made Dominicans as to take the put on a control arm.
There's only one here.
All right.
You gotta tighten up the back now.
Wow, you should have bought both. Well, now watch the right side blow up.
You see this? For every piece that comes off of this shit, the car goes faster.
For every subscriber, I'll send you a piece of rust.
We got plenty.
You got plenty.
A lot of that shit.
Hey, it's a subi. They last forever.
You know what I'm saying?
Hey, all you gotta do is your oil change, a few tire kicks, 300,000 miles.
We drove home without a fucking wheel, basically.
By all means, you're 100% right. We did go all the way to Long Island. We broke a control arm in Long Island and then drove an hour back after we got food.
Yeah.
It's looking good. Trooper Subi. We gotta come up with a name with this. You know, what's the name for her? What year is this thing? 2007 Subaru Outback. It's not an STI. And the journey of the ITR front 4-door begins. Looks like a monster truck right now. I should be helping push, right? You're right.